In the bustling city where dreams soared amidst skyscrapers, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia, though small in stature and humble in possessions, had dreams as vast as the skyline. Her heart was set on one particular aspiration that seemed insurmountable for a petite girl from modest beginnings: a beautiful upright piano. The gleaming instrument represented not just music, but a future, a passion, an alter ego. Mia's journey began one rainy afternoon when the fluttering leaves of autumn told stories of the upcoming winter. Wrapped in layers, mismatched and colorful, she found herself wandering past old thrift shops and their eclectic collection. In a dimly lit corner of her favorite store, amidst books, coats, and relics, sat the piano, dusty yet dignified. Her slender fingers brushed its ivory keys, and her heart resonated with its unspoken song. Determined not to let her dreams slip away, Mia, with the resolve of a seasoned adventurer, set herself a goal. The piano wasn't just about money, it was about commitment, the kind that will not merely change one's circumstances, but transform the self. Step one in Mia's grand plan was simple: to make saving a habit. She remembered her grandmother's wise words, "Every penny counts." Armed with an old jar and her grandmother's encouragement echoing in her ears, Mia devoted herself to filling it each week. Spare change from errands, birthday gifts, and generosity found sanctity within the glass confines. Mia devised her second strategy: reduction meets creativity. Instead of buying lunch at school, she prepared meals at home, embracing the simplicity of sandwiches and fruit. To her surprise, she discovered the joy of culinary arts and a newfound love for cooking. Thirdly, Mia began undertaking odd jobs around the neighborhood: watering gardens, walking dogs, reading stories to Mrs. Baker from next door. Each small task, though monotonous, added a melody to her economic symphony. Her savings jar sang with coins and occasional bills, growing in weight and harmony. As Mia juggled school, chores, and aspirations, she faced setbacks. There were times when the jar felt stagnant and her spirits echoed its silence. But each night, snug under covers, Mia would play imaginary tunes on the pillow piano, reminding herself that dreams aren't about speed, they're about persistence. 2 years passed, the piano now closer to her reality than ever before. On a snowy morning, the letter arrived confirming her acceptance into a prestigious music school. Her piano at home was more than a dream, it was a necessity. With an eager heart, Mia opened her jar, digging through the layered currency, whispering silent thanks for every patience-filled day and every person who encouraged her along the way. The thrift store owner, charmed by her story and her youthful zeal, agreed to a generous installment plan. Thus, even before Mia played her first note, she learned that saving for something big doesn't depend on size, but on spirit. In the small room of a tiny apartment, where her piano now gracefully stood, Mia understood that dreams flourish with nurture, belief, and an unyielding commitment to saving a piece of oneself for what matters most. Go on over to divigen.com and use our free tools to help you get you on your way to saving.